In this video, you'll learn how to download an Instagram Reel with music to your phone. So let's get started. There are actually two ways to do this, and I'll show you both. Let's start with the first method. Open your Instagram app, go to Reels, and choose the reel you want to download. Let's use this one. Tap the paper plane icon in the bottom right corner. Now, swipe the bottom bar to the right, and you should see a download button. Tap it, and just like that, the reel with music is downloaded to your phone. However, in some cases, the download button won't appear. When that happens, here's what to do instead. Tap the three dots or the paper plane and select Copy Link. Now, open your browser. Go to Google and type Download Instagram Video. Click on one of the websites in the search results. Let's go with this one. Paste the copied link. Click Download. Then close any pop-up ads. Click Download again. And once the download is complete, you can open the reel. As you can hear, the music is included. So that's how you download an Instagram Reel with music using two methods. If this helped you, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.